Krishnan and Mohan, two individuals from vastly different backgrounds, came together to build Spheretech Packaging India, a name now synonymous with reliability and innovation in the packaging industry. Their story is a testament to perseverance, adaptability, and the power of collaboration. Born and raised in Bombay, V. Krishnan hailed from a lower middle-class family that lived in a modest house. His father worked for Bartley Boy and Company, instilling in him values of integrity and hard work. Krishnan's formative years were shaped by financial struggles. His pocket money was a mere 5 rupees a month. But this scarcity fueled his entrepreneurial spirit. Even as a schoolboy, he found ways to make money, selling textiles to friends' families and earning a complimentary shirt and pants for his efforts.
During my school days itself, I used to do some little bit of textiles for friends' fathers. I used to go and sell to my friends' relatives' house at a price. And that man used to give me a complimentary pant and a shirt free of charge. Those days, it was a great thing to happen.
This resourcefulness, combined with the curiosity to understand how things work, laid the foundation for his future endeavors. After graduating in science from Khalsa College, Krishnan's career began in sales, a field he was naturally drawn to. Over the years, he gained extensive experience, working with companies like Killick Nixon, HES Alarm Clocks, and Avery's. He traveled extensively, building relationships and sharpening his marketing skills. In 1993, Krishnan ventured to Muscat, gaining invaluable experience managing large teams and learning the nuances of corporate sales. Upon his return to India, he decided to take control of his destiny, eventually co-founding Spheretech.
One of the company's person said that, why don't you sell these type of filling machines? So he showed me a span pack filling machine then. So when the span pack filling machine shown to me, I went and asked the span pack people that, why don't you take I'll be your marketing representative, why don't you give me the lead? So they also considered, I worked out for them a big business from Cyanamide, I think, yeah. So it so happened the span pack, owner of span pack felt that putting all the eggs in one basket will be dangerous for him. So he made me and Mohan sit in one table. That began the story of Spheretech.
Mohan's journey was markedly different. Hailing from a traditional Gujarati family, Mohan's upbringing was modest but financially stable. After completing his engineering degree, he started his career at Bradma of India, where he gained hands-on experience with production and testing of electronic batch coding machines. His meticulous nature and technical expertise earned him recognition, and he joined Domino, a UK-based company, as part of their core technical team. When Domino asked him to relocate to Gurgaon, Mohan chose instead to start his entrepreneurial journey, founding Spheretech as a proprietary concern in his mid-20s.
My company Domino was asking me to shift to Gurgaon. I was not keen to go out of Bombay. I thought, let's start something on our own, and I started a company, Spheretech.
His initial ventures involved supplying toolkits and other accessories to companies, leveraging his technical knowledge and existing relationships. The turning point came in 2001, when Krishnan and Mohan were introduced by Kumar, the owner of Span Filling Systems Private Limited. At the time, Krishnan, in his early 50s, was well known for his salesmanship and had decided to venture on his own, while Mohan, in his late 20s, had already started his entrepreneurial journey with Spheretech. Span Filling Systems, having recently launched with a strong technological foundation, was aggressively seeking to expand its customer base. The collaboration between these three forces seemed destined, combining Krishnan's marketing prowess, Mohan's technical expertise, and the cutting-edge technology of Span Filling Systems to form a strong foundation for their partnership. In the early days, Spheretech faced significant challenges. Financial resources were limited, and they often went months without drawing salaries, prioritizing payments to employees and suppliers. However, their shared vision and mutual trust kept them going. They converted Spheretech into a private limited company in 2003, a decision that boosted their credibility in the market. Over time, they emerged as one of the top and most reputed players in the packaging industry. Their clientele includes prominent names such as Hindustan Unilever, Marico, Patanjali, and Adani Wilmar in the edible oil sector, as well as significant players in automotive lubricants and dairy industries. Additionally, Spheretech exports to over 15 countries, showcasing their global reach and reputation for excellence. One of the key factors behind Spheretech's success has been its unwavering commitment to building strong customer relationships. Both Krishnan and Mohan believe in promising less and delivering more, a principle that has earned them trust and loyalty. For instance, Krishnan recounts how a skeptical customer in Ahmedabad, who initially rejected his pricing, later became one of their most significant clients.
We had a distributor in Ahmedabad who said that one customer wants to buy my machine. He called me to his factory and we were sitting together. And then he asked me exactly at 1/3 of my price whatever I offered. So my first instinct to that was I just took up from the chair and then I walked towards the gate. So he told the distributor guy, "Usko rukao, don't chalne ko mat do." Then I said, "Sir, I cannot able to even come back. I cannot even imagine you are asking me such a price. But nevertheless, today I need to leave. I'll try some other time, we will come and meet." So promptly the customer calls me on a Tuesday morning saying that आपको और एक बार हमारे पास आना पड़ेगा. So I go back to him and he finalized the order with a 10% or 12% discount. And there was no turning back. That customer is one of my most important customer today. His factory is my showroom of business machines.
Treating Spheretech's machines as a benchmark in the industry. Similarly, Mohan's ability to resolve complex technical issues has won over customers, often working late into the night to ensure client satisfaction. The partnership between Krishnan and Mohan is a study in mutual respect and adaptability. While Krishnan's flamboyant marketing style contrasts with Mohan's methodical approach, their shared values and open communication have ensured a harmonious working relationship. They complement each other's strengths, with Mohan focusing on technical precision and Krishnan excelling in relationship management and deal-making. Looking to the future, Spheretech is poised for further growth. The company offers an impressive range of products and services, including advanced liquid filling machines, capping machines, induction sealing systems, and packaging solutions tailored to industries such as edible oil, automotive lubricants, dairy, and pharmaceuticals. Known for their robust engineering and customized solutions, Spheretech's offerings are designed to meet the diverse needs of their clients, ensuring precision, efficiency, and reliability. Their product portfolio reflects their commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction. They also plan to explore the possibility of becoming a public limited company, which would provide additional resources for scaling their operations. Despite these ambitions, Krishnan and Mohan remain committed to their core principles: ethical business practices, quality products, and unwavering customer focus. The story of Spheretech Packaging India is more than a tale of business success. It's a lesson in perseverance, teamwork, and the power of ethical entrepreneurship. For aspiring entrepreneurs, Krishnan and Mohan offer invaluable advice. Stay focused, work hard, and build lasting relationships. In their words, do business with ethics and everything else will fall into place.